talk about this thing called life. Sit down. I'm going to give you a nice gentle combing. Okay? And then you'll feel better. She's so dirty. She needs a good bath and brushing. I think she has a grooming appointment. It's either next week or the week after, but her hair grows really long. Look at this girl. She's scared. Oh, don't be scared, babes. Here, sit down.
Holly, wait. Wait, Holly, here.
Nice day. A little chilly, but we're trying to give us and the dog a little fresh air and exercise. Henry, you're doing fine. I'm not going to give you slack. Having fun?
Wildflower Meadow. Meadow Restoration Project. What do you do? Plant wildflowers?
I don't know how new it is. Oh, come on. We are up on the hill. Nice day. Cold. March 15th. 16th. Tomorrow's St. Patrick's. I wonder if you could take them. I wonder if you could take some of the rocks home, repaint them, and bring them back fresh. What's the matter? What's the matter? What's the matter? You mad because you're in the back seat? Huh? Are you mad? Did you have a good walk? Was it nice? Henry?
In the front seat with me.
Yeah. Yeah. Was a good boy. Oh. You say hi? Where's your ear backwards? Are you singing? Holly, looking out the window? Buddy, you're always by my side, right? What are you guys doing? Where's Holly? Here's Holly.
She was laying down nicely. No video. I don't have any pants on. Nor do I have any underwear on.
Green bagels.
Happy St. Patty's Day.
Thank you.
Green bagels for everyone. What do you want to drink?
Yummy.
You want a coffee?
I'm going outside right now. I know, I'm a crazy mess. Happy St. Patrick's Day. We sent Thomas out to the bagel store to get green bagels. That was fun. So I'm just kind of mellow today and really congested, super congested. It's bothering me, so I just took some medicine. It's sunny and the snow is melting. It's almost gone, but it's still a little cold. We have a fire. So when I go back in, I'm going to give Holly a bath because she is really dirty. Maybe Henry too, if he'll let me. Anyway. Ireland. Holly had a bath. You all pretty? Say, I'm all pretty, Mama. I'm all pretty. You did not have your bath yet. Hi friends, let me go check on Daniel and then we'll go out, okay? Although I don't know if I want to go out, it's too scary. It's the green lights for St. Patty's Day and you fell asleep. Oh, Daniel. I love you, boo. Here, let me fix your pillow. We have the green lights. We have to take the dogs out. We have to go out together because it's too scary outside. Because I don't want to walk the dogs alone. Do you need your own boots? Do you need your boots? I'll wear my shoes. There's too many scary things outside. He's turning on all the outside lights. Now we're going to take the dogs out together because I'm afraid afraid of the predators. I don't know. I don't know. Out into the night we go. Oh, the garage is open. Theo, aren't they annoying, Theo? Henry, stop it. Leave it. Henry. Theo's gonna scratch you. Henry, you're not gonna get a treat like this. No. Theo, I'm sorry, buddy. Theo's like, I'm not giving up my chair. Kids, come here. You sit. Stop barking. No. Holly, come on, be a good girl. Sit. Sit. Nice job. Good girl. Stay there. Nobody wants to listen to that. Good night, silly boy. You snuggled in? I like your art projects. You did feet painting today. Was feet painting fun? Did you like to paint on your feet? You did? I didn't know she was in here doing feet painting with him. But that must have been fun. I wish I could have vlogged it, but I'm working on this one college application called Cultural Arts Commission. We have to deliver the package tomorrow, sometime tomorrow. I got a meeting in the morning at the high school regarding Dale's transition, and yeah, so I'm working on stuff. And yeah, kind of like I said, a slow, kind of boring day, and not too much happening, but that's good sometimes. I spent about an hour and a half slowly trying to demat Holly. She got really matted. I didn't realize how bad it was. So I combed her and combed her and combed her, and she's better. She goes to the groomer actually next week, but I really wanted to work on it because it's so much work for them if I don't. And I hate it when she has to get like totally shaved down. So she's so pretty. Her coat is beautiful. Henry didn't get his bath because I got tired and covered in white fluff. But maybe tomorrow, Henry. Right, Hallie?